Good morning, everybody. Wonderful to see everyone here on time at 9:30. This is fantastic for us. Welcome on behalf of the MindBody Trust. The topic today, as you know, is mapping the present and the future of whole person healthcare. The MindBody Trust was established 14 years ago, and its purposes can be examined or scrutinised or criticised or whatever you want on our website, which is there. And it's a website with many resources and for clinicians and for patients and clients. And we, as clinicians, use it regularly for our clients and patients to direct them, to help educate them, help them discover things for themselves and come back and ask questions and help adjunctively with the work that we're doing with them. So I'd encourage you to use it. The use of it is gradually climbing each month, and mostly New Zealand, but internationally as well. The specific purpose and focus today reads like this. This is part of the trust document. The promotion in New Zealand of a general societal impetus for better healthcare for the public and to establish whole person approaches as an important and necessary component in working with people in a healing capacity. So that is kind of the focus for our meeting today. Many of us, we would all probably say that we now have considerable understanding of the benefits and the problems of modern healthcare. And we could spend a day lamenting the problems, I'm sure. And probably some of us have spent more than a day. The dominant model in healthcare, the biomedical model, is entrenched and institutionalised. But there are many people scattered throughout New Zealand and internationally who would like to see change. And I think the numbers here today reflect that. We've done really modest advertising and we've doubled our numbers from our normal community days. So I think the numbers attending reflect a desire for change. But bringing about change is another matter. Earlier in the year we decided to reach out actively and bring together people with overlapping perspectives who are interested in change and to focus on some of the positive things that are happening and to see what might arise out of the cumulative energies in the group. To help us with that process, we've got 8 speakers who are doing stuff and who have accepted the challenge of sharing, the considerable challenge of sharing very briefly what they undoubtedly could talk on for much longer. We're grateful for their efforts in this, and we look forward to hearing you all. But you, the audience, can help us a lot with this process today. After each speaker, we will take a quiet minute or two in which we'd ask you not to talk. Not because we don't like talking, but I think given the fact that our speakers are giving us 10 minutes, and if we do them back to back, they'll blur into one another. And so we'd like you to reflect on what you've heard and maybe crystallise something that you could contribute or bring to a wider discussion later in the morning and especially this afternoon.